Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and I want to talk about the HomePod and its cable, more specifically about replacing the cable, because when I first unboxed this, we thought, for the most part, pretty much we as in being anyone that's used the HomePod or looked at it, that you could not replace this cable. However, Apple has said that they'll replace this cable for $29, and they advise you don't remove it. However, you can remove it. So I wanted to show you how you can do that, and it looks like you can't remove it at all. It looks like it's just flush here, but I guess if we pull it really hard, it pops right out. So that's the first time I've ever removed that. And you'll see we have two spots here where there's a cable that will go in, or a pin that will go into each one of those. And then if I bring this up here, you'll see you've got a pin on the top and bottom, positive and negative. So that's all there is to it. It's pretty simple and straightforward. So I guess you could put a white cable into the black cable, and you'll see it's angled slightly, so it does have to go in a certain way. If it goes in this way, it's going to be wrong. So you'll see it's angled this way if I do put it in back that way, or if I spin it this way, it will line up nicely. And to put it back, it just simply clicks into place. So not too big of a deal. Now, if you have a problem with the HomePod and it's outside of its warranty, that's about a year, the cost of repairing it is about the same cost of actually just buying a new one. So just be careful with it. I believe you can get Apple Care with it, but be careful with it. But it really doesn't do anything. It just sits there, and as long as you don't have animals or kids that are going to damage it, you'll be fine. But that's pretty much it. I'll be using it for the rest of the week or so before I do my full review, just to kind of get a better idea about it and maybe do a comparison with the Google Home Max. But let me know your thoughts on that in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.